coming to the end of this journey, I would like to thank my parents. It's been a long time, and we've gotten here all the way from when I wasn't doing so well in high school till now I'm a law school graduate. I would like to thank my daughter, my 4-year-old, Charlie Rose. Dad couldn't do this without you, and I can't wait till it's your turn so Dad can come see you graduate and do all those things that Dad wanted to be an example for you. And I would like to thank Lonnie. I'm so grateful God brought us together and that we got to experience this life together, and I wish us more years to come and all the love in the world coming our way. And I appreciate you for being here every step of the way, every bad moment, every good moment. I can't repay you for anything that you've done for me, and vice versa. You know it's love. And lastly, I would like to thank my Brew brothers, all the countless video game sessions, the arguments, the debates, just keeping me grounded. And lastly, thank you to my Thundercat brothers. We've been here since freshman year of high school. You guys have gotten to see me grow and become this man I am today, and I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. So thank you. I appreciate you guys much.
I want to thank my family and friends for all your support. Law school wasn't easy. Thank you to Mama and Baba for everything you guys have done for me. Thanks for always running my errands and dropping everything to help me, like when I lost a tire on my way to class or my laptop crashing. Mama, thank you for all the home-cooked meals and keeping me healthy. Mama, thank you for all the constant pep talks and all your dua. I appreciate all the times I made you all stay quiet in the house, especially in Zoom school. And I really appreciate the times you guys actually stayed quiet. I know it was a hard task for you. Thank you to my friends for your constant support. Shout out to the flock, Seja, Linda, and thank you to all my friends I made during law school. NASA, I couldn't have done it without you guys. And shout out to Maysoon for always being there and calming my stress ball self down. Sorry for any extra stress I caused you, and I'm so grateful for you. A very special shout out to my sister Summer. I would not be here if it wasn't for you. You encouraged me to apply to law school when it was just a dream, but you always pushed me to be my best, and you never doubted me. You knew my schedule better than me, and kept pushing me to keep studying even when I didn't want to. You always knew when I was really stressed even without me saying anything, and you knew how to keep me calm and focused on the end goal. You're my ride or die, little one. And thank God for willing me to get through this journey and granting me this success. Alhamdulillah.
Primeramente quisiera darle gracias a Dios por ayudarme a lograr a dar este paso tan importante en mi carrera, y segundamente y más importante quisiera darle las gracias a mis papás, María Velázquez y José Luis Velázquez Castañeda, y también a mis hermanos por ayudarme y por siempre estar junto a mí en este camino tan difícil. Había muchas veces que quise darme por vencida, pero por ellos estoy aquí y por ellos sigo luchando para poder conseguir las metas que un día ellos soñaron para mí, que un día también yo soñé para mí. Más importante, quisiera darle gracias a mi papá, que en paz descanse, porque él dio y sacrificó mucho para que yo pudiera estar en una posición donde pudiera estudiar en una escuela americana. Él nos trajo muy chiquitos a los Estados Unidos, y por eso es que yo tengo esta oportunidad de estar en esta escuela de leyes estudiando para ser abogada. Soy la primera abogada de mi familia, y eso es muy importante para mí porque significa que logré los sueños no solamente de mis papás, pero también los míos y los de una comunidad que es la comunidad hispana. And now I'd like to give thanks to some of my friends who were always cheering me on and are always in my corner. For starters, my best friend since kindergarten, Maggie Saldaña. So we've known each other for about 20 plus years. And my second dearest friend, Karina Sandoval, who's also a graduating student from McGeorge. Without you guys, I don't think that I would have had the courage to continue to show up and to continue doing the work that I needed to do. You guys were there when I needed you guys the most, and I really, really appreciate that, and it's something that is going to stick with me forever. And finally, but not least, I'd like to say thank you to everybody who's helped me along the way. It's a very long list, so I would be on camera for like 20 minutes, but you guys know who you are. And just in case you guys don't speak English, muchas gracias a todos ustedes que también me ayudaron en este proceso, diciéndome que lo podía hacer y dándome las fuerzas para seguir este camino. Muchas gracias. Thank you again.
So I like to thank a few people. First, my parents, my two sisters, even though they're both in school too. We're on like the same level, but you know, I made it here first. I graduated first. But I also like to thank my dogs. We're gonna spend a few minutes or seconds or hours even just looking at pictures of them and admiring my dogs. So here's Rocky. This is our first dog, best dog ever. Next is Apollo. Look, he has a bow tie. You can trust him because he has a bow tie. Bow ties are cool. This is Harley. There's not much to say about him. This is Harley. He's just here for the vibes. This is Bayani. He's here to be a menace and just bite everyone and everything that's ever existed. Next, this is Coda. This is the real vice president of SBA. This is the one who actually won, not me. She's vice president. I'd also like to thank this Instagram page that's helped us make through tough times. It's called McMemes. I'm not McMemes, but you've seen some of my memes on here, but I'm not McMemes. But this has helped. Yeah.